This is a duo studio with a resort view here at the Island Tower at the villas at Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. Today we will be exploring room 8719. I would once again like to thank our friends Becky and Tom for allowing us to review their room here while they are staying on vacation. I have a Key to the World card that I'm going to use to enter our room here. So let's head on in and take a look. As we walk into our duo studio here at the Island Tower, we're going to start things off here immediately to the left where you have a one sink vanity. On the right is where you're going to find your sink, as well as two hand pumps of sea salt, hand soap, and body lotion. You also have two 120 volt outlets, as well as a lit makeup mirror right here, and a light switch to turn on and off the mirrors above the vanity. You have a soap dish with boxed sea salt bar bath soap, 4 washcloths, as well as a box of tissues available for you to use. On the left hand side, you do have a towel rack with 2 hand towels available. Beneath that, you have a small shelf for storing objects, as well as a wastebasket and some more storage underneath. All the way on the right, on the bottom hand side, is going to be where you find your in-room provided hair dryer. Across from the vanity is going to be your toilet and your shower room. You have your toilet right here with an extra roll of toilet paper up on the tank, a small wastebasket beside the toilet, and a towel rack with 2 bath towels above. You have a walk-in glass door shower here in the duo studio. On the handle, they do provide you with a shower mat. Immediately as you walk in, you have your wall-mounted Sea Marine shampoo, conditioner, and sea salt body wash. A cubby for storage on the side, and you do also have 2 available shower heads to choose from. You have a regular handheld shower head and a rainfall shower head. You do also have a retractable clothesline in here to line dry clothes as needed. You do also have 2 towel hooks available across from the shower for you to hang up clothes, towels, what have you. The bathroom door is separated by this sliding pocket style door here. And then I'll take you over here to the main living space here in the duo studio. As you can see, there is no bed immediately visible. The bed is right behind this couch here. It pulls down into a queen size Murphy style bed. The couch does also have this rolling coffee table that is circular, and it does freely move on casters. The couch does also have a movable chaise ottoman, which did come also with this nice Mickey Mouse made with hand towels and washcloths. On the left side of this couch and Murphy bed, you do have a lit sconce which can be turned on and off using the switch on the bottom, your in-room phone, and off to the left you do have 2 120 volt outlets, a USB-A and a USB-C port available. Panning over to the right here, you do have a small kitchenette available in the duo studios. On the countertop here in the kitchenette, you do have a singular K-cup Keurig coffee brewer. They do provide you with Joffrey's coffees, Twinings teas, sugar and sugar substitute, Twinings tea bags, and International Delight coffee creamer. You do also have a hand pump with dish soap, a dish towel, and a sponge, paper towels, and your in-room Hey Disney Amazon Alexa device is going to be in here as well. Above the countertop, you do have a very small microwave that you can use to reheat food during your stay. Cabinet in the upper left is going to have all your dishware. You do have real ceramic plates and bowls, ceramic hot drink mugs, tall glass drinking cups, and these smaller Island Tower themed blue drinking cups. You have some storage above the microwave, very shallow storage, but any storage counts. And then you also have some shelves off to the right here with a provided 2-burner toaster. Underneath the countertop here in the kitchenette, on the right is this door that does reveal a small beverage cooler. You can open it. It's got plenty of room in here. I don't know if this is considered a refrigerator. Disney has been kind of moving away from refrigerators to beverage coolers. which don't necessarily get down to a food safe temperature, but you can request one if you need it for medication or baby food. Drawers here going from right to left. This first drawer has all of your silverware. You do get real silverware in these studios, unlike most other DVC studios around property, as well as a can opener, a corkscrew, and a bottle opener. These two drawers are empty for additional storage. This drawer down here on the bottom reveals your two trash cans, one for trash and one for recycling. They do provide you with one trash bag. And then the cabinet space underneath reveals a bunch of empty storage. Now between the kitchenette and the bed and couch, you do have a nice full-size body mirror to help yourself get ready in the morning. And then across from all of this is going to be your closet, dresser, and entertainment space. You have a nice big 55-inch screen high-definition TV in this room with the updated set-top boxes that are hotel and room specific. Atop the dresser, they do provide you with a couple of brochures. They got these lays down in the lobby when they checked in. You have your TV remote. You have a 6-drawer dresser here. The one drawer is where you're going to find your in-room Bible. To the right of the entertainment center, you do have a movable stool, two 120-volt outlets, and your in-room thermostat as well. Now to the left of the entertainment center, you have these two really tall closet doors. These will slide open. On the right-hand side, you have a collapsible laundry hamper as well as an ironing board. You also have some closet space with some hangers available, as well as your extra pillows and blankets. And these are going to be where you find the only pillows in the Duo Studios. They don't come already on the bed. You have to grab them from the closet. The left-hand side here reveals your steam iron, as well as some more hanger space with more hangers, an extra set of pillows and blankets, a small storage shelf, your in-room safe, and a small storage cubby underneath the safe. Your Duo Studio here at Disney's Polynesian Resort does come with a balcony space. As you can see through these tall doors over here, the balcony space in the resort view rooms leaves a little bit to be desired, but you're close to Magic Kingdom. You have a nice glass wall here overlooking the Polynesian Island Tower parking lot, as well as the monorail, which is a plus for me. I would actually probably prefer this room over the theme park view. You also have a view of the Palm Golf Course, parts of the Shades of Green Resort, and parts of Floridian Way. You also get two chairs and a table available for you to use out on the balcony. This door is pretty heavy, just so you know. Even in the other rooms that we stayed in at Island Tower, they were a little difficult to get open and closed. You have two shades in this room. One, you have a little privacy screen here that allows some light to pass through, but makes it a little more difficult for people to peek in if, the golfers really want to peek in. You also have this blackout curtain here, which prevents light from entering the room. As you can see, it made the room pretty significantly dark. It has this nice Hawaiian and Polynesian motif in here, with a few hidden Mickeys scattered around, and some tropical birds flying through the tapestry. Just wanted to interject here and point out that the rooms here in the Island Tower have their thermostats linked to the balcony door. So if I open the balcony door ever so slightly, you'll notice here in a second, this thermostat's gonna go blank.
12 seconds later.
There you go. You see the thermostat goes blank and you have that little symbol there of the door, and that's because the door is open. And if I close it, you'll notice right away the numbers come right back on. Here is what the Duo Studio looks like with the Murphy bed pulled down. You have plenty of space to walk around here. This is one of the larger Duo Studios here on Walt Disney World property. That and Riviera are the two current hotels that offer them. As well as the Disneyland Resort out in California, they offer this style of room as well. Compared to Riviera, this is much more spacious, much nicer in my opinion. When you pull down the bed, you notice it's already fitted with your sheets and blanket. You do have a headboard here that is themed a little bit to Moana. You have Maui's hook, you have some sea turtles and sea critters flying through the sky, as well as some of the Voyagers from Moana. Now off to the side, next to this chaise here, you'll notice this is the only side that has provided 120 volt outlets, another USB-A and USB-C port, and you do also have a light switch to turn on and off the accent lighting above the headboard. So that is our walkthrough of the Duo Studio Resort View Room here at the Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. Points values for this room will vary depending on the time of year you are staying, as well as the length of your stay. For one night here in the end of February on a weeknight, this room is 20 points. Once again, thank you to Becky and Tom for letting us review this room while on your vacation. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like this in the future, please be sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Monorail Central, and be sure to hit that notification bell to receive updates for all future content. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all real soon.